Hello everyone. Welcome back to our YouTube channel. In the digital age, where video content reigns supreme, YouTube has emerged as a powerful platform for creators to express themselves, build communities, and yes, even earn a lucrative income. With over 2 billion logged-in monthly users, YouTube offers an unparalleled opportunity to reach a global audience and monetize your creativity. In this guide, we'll delve into the intricacies of how to make money from YouTube, focusing particularly on optimizing your channel for SEO, search engine optimization, to enhance visibility and revenue potential. Strategies for monetizing your YouTube channel. Create compelling content. At the heart of a successful YouTube channel lies captivating content. Identify your niche, whether it's cooking, gaming, tech reviews, or makeup tutorials, and consistently deliver high-quality videos that resonate with your target audience. Engage viewers with interesting topics, captivating visuals, and a unique voice that sets you apart from the crowd. Master SEO techniques. SEO isn't just crucial for websites, it's equally vital for YouTube channels. By optimizing your video titles, descriptions, tags, and thumbnails with relevant keywords, you can significantly improve your visibility in search results and recommendations. Conduct keyword research to identify popular search terms in your niche, and strategically integrate them into your content to attract organic traffic. Build a loyal audience. Foster a sense of community among your viewers by responding to comments, asking for feedback, and engaging with your audience on social media platforms. Encourage viewers to subscribe to your channel and enable notifications to stay updated on your latest uploads. By cultivating a loyal fan base, you'll increase watch time, boost engagement metrics, and enhance your channel's monetization potential. Monetize your channel. Once your channel meets the eligibility requirements, such as reaching 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours in the past 12 months, you can apply for the YouTube Partner Program, YPP. Upon acceptance, you can monetize your videos through various avenues, including AdSense. Earn revenue from advertisements displayed before, during, or after your videos. Optimize ad placement and frequency to maximize earnings without compromising user experience. Channel memberships. Offer exclusive perks such as badges, emojis, and members-only content to subscribers who join your channel as paid members. Merchandise shelf. Showcase your branded merchandise directly beneath your videos, allowing viewers to purchase products without leaving the platform. Super Chat and Super Stickers. Enable viewers to purchase highlighted messages or animated stickers during live streams, providing an additional revenue stream for creators. Diversify your income streams. While ad revenue is a primary source of income for many YouTubers, diversifying your revenue streams can provide stability and resilience against fluctuations. Explore alternative monetization avenues, such as sponsored content, affiliate marketing, brand partnerships, crowdfunding, e.g., Patreon, and selling digital products or courses. Track performance and iterate. Monitor your channel analytics regularly to gain insights into viewer demographics, watch time, engagement metrics, and revenue trends. Use this data to identify areas for improvement, experiment with new content formats, and refine your monetization strategies accordingly. Continuously adapt to evolving trends and algorithm changes to stay competitive in the dynamic landscape of YouTube. In conclusion, while building a profitable YouTube channel requires dedication, creativity, and strategic planning, the rewards can be substantial for those who are willing to invest the time and effort. By leveraging SEO techniques to enhance your channel's visibility, fostering a loyal audience, diversifying your income streams, and staying attuned to audience preferences, you can unlock the full potential of YouTube as a platform for financial success and creative fulfillment.